The 2018 Kia Sorento. The Kia Sorento is a comfortable riding, powerful compact SUV loaded with impressive standard features. Take one look at its stylish, sleek design and you'll want to cross over to a Sorento. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, Bluetooth, power steering, cruise control, center armrest, clock, side airbag, power door locks, CD player, power windows, security system, intermittent wipers, overhead console, tachometer, power mirrors, rear view camera, tilt steering wheel, power outlets. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.